Welcome to ATP Customs. Well, the 78 Chevy C10 is done. It is about to load up today and head out. We're really hoping to go for a test drive. We just got finished this thing completely today. And of course it's snowing all over it right now. It is cold. It is not getting traction at all up and down this little section. And the roads out front on the main roads are covered in gravel. So it's really affecting our test driving abilities right now. But let's go over it. I need to verify something. This isn't my dad's truck. Maybe I wasn't clear enough in the earlier video. This is a customer of my dad's. My dad has been working on this truck for approximately 30 years for that gentleman. And now we get to take that job over. We've had this truck in 3 times for paint. We did the whole job, and then it had a little repair that it needed in the box side. And this time it had a repair in the door. Had a little dent right around here from a piece of plywood that blew over on it. So Mr. White had to blend the door into the fender and then clear coat the fender and the door, and it turned out beautiful. And Tyson from Alberta requested a polishing video. So yes, Tyson, we managed to get a bunch of footage, and we're just going to put that together this week. I'm just fighting with my GoPro. It's not agreeing with me today. So we had to do paint on the door and fender. We had to install a full sound system. What else do we had to do? We had to do a full tune-up, plugs, wires, change the oil and filter. There was valve cover gaskets leaking. We had to do all new fuel tanks, new fuel sending units to get the gauge to work. The sending units were completely rotted. Excuse me. Geez, I can't even remember. You start adding it up and it becomes so much that you just forget. We did a lot. And it is beautiful. I love this truck. It's such an honor to be able to work on trucks like these. Love my square body Chevys. So, that is one little detail. We have not found the appropriate gas caps that we're looking for. So, we have a locking one on this side and a chrome one on the other side. That'll be another day, along with the headers and the exhaust we'll be doing. That grill is really not a lot of fun to clean. There's a lot of detail in that grill. I love this thing. It's making me ready to build my own since I have some. Yes, I haven't cleaned the floor mats yet before it goes. It's got quite a hefty cam in it. It's pretty obnoxious. So the exhaust needs to be altered severely soon. It is choking this thing down, making it a little bit hard to tune. Strange feeling. This is just a stock tranny with no stall in it, and I believe the camshaft that's in this motor does require a stall. Yeah, she's just braking sideways right there. I can hardly get any traction, but it runs good, nice and smooth. This is about the only test drive I can do right now with this kind of weather going on. Oh, I do like the sound of that cam. It is nice and lumpy. Very helpful that we did an even posi in this thing for getting around here. No one tire fire. That's it for our test drive today. It seems it's coming in heavier right now. It's supposed to be coming down pretty heavy tonight, so no test driving on this again. Getting frustrating. Not until spring. That's okay. This gentleman happens to live about a block away from me, and I'm pretty sure there's going to be a lot of square bodies cruising together this year since we've rounded up so many, so it's going to be a really exciting summer. I guess I better pull it in the shop. I don't want to. I just want to drive it. So one thing I just noticed that I did not realize is that Eagle Alloys make a torque thrust style wheel. I don't believe that company's in existence anymore. I'm not sure if they survived the pandemic. Their website seems to be non-existent right now. And we need a horn button still for the steering wheel. So I may have to pull one of those out of one of my Chevys. There you go. Floors are relatively clean. That's as clean as they're getting. It actually looks dirtier on camera than in real life. And the little small block is leaving today. Oh yes, this was our solution to solving the infamous folding hoods on the Chevys. This one already started to fold. This is an aftermarket hood. It's not a Kappa certified hood. And right there, it's got a little tweak. And the hinges were even brand new. So, Mr. White just cut up a couple of pieces of metal and painted them and used the panel bond to adhere it to the hood so that it does not fold and gives it strength, and it worked. So very happy with that. And that's it for the little Chevy. Leaving the shop because we have another surprise coming in today. A really, really exciting surprise. And, I can't tell you what it is. I'll film it this afternoon, but it's way more exciting than this little small block. So buy a little small block, you got to go. We got something way bigger coming in today. So thank you for watching, and I hope you subscribe.